Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Python 3.9.2 on Windows 10 64-bit or 32-bit. Plus, you will learn how to run your first Python program. To begin, open your browser, type in Python on your open browser, and then go to the official website of Python. I've also provided this link in the description below this video. Click on the official website and then you can go to the download here. Please take note here that Python 3.9.2 cannot be installed or used on Windows 7 or earlier version. So if you have Windows 7 or earlier version, I recommend you can install other earlier versions of Python. Maybe you can go with Python 3.8.8. But if you're on Windows 10, then you can come back here to this download and then select Windows. And then here you have the option to either install 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on what window version that you have. For me, I'm using 64-bit, so I would select this one. But however, if you don't know what Windows version that you have, then you can come back to this download and then you can use this download Python 3.9.2 on the home page. Once you select this, it will automatically detect the Windows version that you have in your computer. So I'll go with this option. Remember I said I have 64-bit on my system. So we'll just see how it will detect that automatically. So once I select this, and then you see the executable file is Windows 64-bit that is downloaded here. Next, you click on the executable file to open and install on your computer. Remember to check this box to add Python 3.9 to path. So I will check it. And then here you could either install directly, but I recommend you use the customized installation option. Using this option allows you to choose the location where you want your Python installed and also allows you to add some more features during your installation process. So I will select customized installation. And once you select that, make sure you have all these boxes checked. Pip allows you to run your Python packages. Make sure it is checked. And once they are all checked, you can now select next. And then here, you could also check this box install for all users. So this allows any other user to be able to use your Python. So I'm going to check this box. And then here you can now specify where you want the Python installed. For mine, it's installed on my C drive. If you have any other location where you want it to be installed, you could make that selection and then you have it installed there. So I'm happy with where it is at the moment. It's in my C drive. So next, you select install. And it is now installing my Python 3.9.2. Probably will take a little while. Just wait for it. Now our Python 3.9.2 was successfully installed. Next, we will close this and verify if this was successfully installed on our computer. So I'll close this now. So to verify if this was successfully installed, we go to our command prompt, type cmd, and then we can use the command prompt, click on it to open it. And once the command prompt is opened, you type Python space version and press enter. So you can see that our Python 3.9.2 was successfully installed. So next we just go to open the Python IDLE. So to open the Python IDLE, go to your start menu, order Python 3.9. You can select the Python IDE. Take note to select the Python IDE. So I'll select this now. And this is my Python IDE shell. So right now you can write your first Python script. And let's say we type in print, open bracket, and let's say we type in hello, this is my first program. And then you must make sure you close it, and that's it. So next you hit enter, and then you can see that your Python script was successfully run. Maybe we could add another one, say a equals 3 plus 6, and then we could print a, and then we see that we have 3 plus 3 equals 9. So congratulations, you successfully written and ran your first Python script. For other videos on how to progress your programming skills, please go to my YouTube channel. I provide weekly videos on how to program on Python using PyCharm IDE. I hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.